friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobiles RYK YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix Apple Pay not working on iPhone. If you have trouble getting Apple Pay to work, there are few things that you can do to resolve the issue. Most of these are fast and easy solutions to fix the problem and get Apple Pay working again. Number one is confirm Apple Pay services are up. You may not have an Apple Pay problems. The Apple Pay services might be down due to technical issues, which has nothing to do with your iPhone. When this is the case, wait for the services to start working again and fix your problem. To find out whether Apple Pay is experiencing any downtime, go to the Apple System Services websites and check if there is a green circle next to Apple Pay. A green circle rules out a services failure. You can move on the other solutions. If solution number one, Apple services not down and your problem is not fixed. Number two is confirm that the business accepts Apple Pay. If it does, it may be that a particular terminal is not working when you use Apple Pay. When you this problem, ask if there is an other terminal you can use. Once you know which terminal accepts Apple Pay, keep it in mind for future further information. Number three is sign out Apple ID and sign in back. Tap on the settings app, tap on Apple ID, tap on sign out, enter your Apple ID password, sign out Apple ID and sign in back and fix your problem. Number four is charge the iPhone battery. When the iPhone battery is low, typically at 10% of charge or lower, it may go into low power mode, and many features on the iPhone case to work to save power. Be sure your iPhone has a sufficient charge before you go shopping. Number five is remove and re-edit the credit or debit card. There may be a credit or debit card there that gives you repeated issue when you use it Apple Pay. This can happen when you get a new credit card from your provider and the charge information is not immediately updated on Apple Pay. If this is the case, remove the card information or re-edit again and fix your problem. If all solutions are not working, simply restart the iPhone and fix your problem. Tap on the settings, tap on general, little bit scroll up to find shutdown and dragging the slider to right side and fix your problem. After restart your device, your problem is fixed and use Apple services. If all solutions are not working, simply check your payment method and fix your problem. That's it. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.